Sure. Here's a detailed, 680-word YouTube video script for your channel Car Operation, reviewing the 1920 Mercedes-Benz Unimog Brabus U500. This script is designed to sound engaging and professional, ideal for voiceover narration or on-camera presentation. Welcome back to Car Operation, your go-to place for deep dives into rare, rugged, and remarkable machines. Today, we're not just reviewing any truck, we're stepping into something that's part beast, part legend. This is the 1920 Mercedes-Benz Unimog U500, reimagined and refined by none other than Brabus. A vehicle that doesn't just challenge roads, it dares nature to try and stop it. Let's start with the exterior. The moment you lay eyes on the Brabus-tuned U500, you realize this is not your typical workhorse. With its towering stance, high ground clearance, and nearly military-grade presence, it commands the terrain and attention. The rugged steel front bumper is reinforced, fitted with winches, recovery hooks, and an upgraded grille that boasts the Brabus signature. Custom LED light bars up top, fender flares, and an aggressive matte paint finish complete the look, turning this utility truck into a certified showstopper. It's built on the same industrial-grade ladder frame used in the original Unimog series, but Brabus adds their design flair and off-road armor. Giant 24-inch off-road tires wrap around heavy-duty alloy wheels, built for the harshest environments. Whether you're scaling rocks, forging rivers, or just parked at a car show, the Unimog U500 refuses to be ignored. Inside, you might expect something minimal and utilitarian. But Brabus took a different route. The cabin is nothing short of a luxury bunker. The seats are fully reupholstered in fine leather with red contrast stitching, embroidered Brabus logos, and ergonomic cushioning. Heated and ventilated, naturally. The dashboard features carbon fiber accents, a Brabus custom gauge cluster, and a digital infotainment system that's surprisingly advanced for a vehicle designed for off-grid adventures. You'll find brushed aluminum pedals, a reworked steering wheel with multifunction controls, and even ambient lighting, a Brabus staple. Don't be fooled by the rugged exterior, this is a cockpit designed for comfort and command. The rear seating is also reworked, offering room for passengers or additional cargo space, depending on configuration. Performance-wise, this is where the Unimog U500 Brabus earns its legend status. Under the hood is a 6.4-liter inline-six turbo diesel engine, tuned by Brabus to deliver an output of up to 280 horsepower and a massive 810 Nm of torque. It's not built for speed, but for unstoppable force. With its 8-speed gearbox, portal axles, and selectable locking differentials, this truck can crawl, climb, and cruise across almost any terrain. It's got a fording depth of up to 1.2 meters, approach and departure angles that rival high-end rock crawlers, and an air suspension system that can be adjusted for different surfaces. This isn't just off-road capable, it's off-road dominant. On highways, it's surprisingly smooth for its size, thanks to Brabus suspension tuning. But let's be clear, this is a machine born for forests, deserts, and snow-covered slopes, not tight city turns. Now, let's talk numbers. The base Unimog U500 from Mercedes-Benz isn't cheap. But when Brabus gets involved, you're entering a whole different bracket. Depending on the level of customization and upgrades, a Brabus U500 can range anywhere between $250,000 to over $500,000. Yes, $500,000 for a truck, but not just any truck. You're buying extreme engineering, bespoke craftsmanship, and a piece of mechanical history wrapped in modern luxury. Is it practical for daily use? Not really. Is it necessary? Absolutely not. But for collectors, expeditionists, or those who just want to own one of the most capable and unique machines ever built, the Brabus Unimog U500 is unmatched. It's not just a vehicle, it's a symbol of what happens when industrial design meets wild ambition. Thanks for watching Car Operation. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the Brabus U500, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you don't miss our next review. Drop your thoughts in the comments. Would you drive this beast, or is it too much muscle for the road? Until next time, stay curious and drive smart.